Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. It's Wednesday, early afternoon. I think it's about 12:45. Just going to go for a little wander along the front and through the town, maybe a couple of different streets, just to show you what's going on and say hello. Well, I must say it's a very, very windy Blackpool, so I do hope you can hear me. Nice blue skies and sunshine with a bit of cloud about, but I'm being blown all over the place here. But yeah, we'll have a little wander along the front and then see where my legs take me. Thank you to everybody for watching the last few videos. Just in the process of making my way onto the beach. It's got to be done, hasn't it? We've got a tide going now, I think. I'll get out as far as I can without getting my feet wet. Yeah, we're a bit further up last time we're on the beach. You know, we were further down there, weren't we, in the middle, so yeah, North Pier there. Nearly there. Nearly there. Yeah, that's about it, I think. Wild out there. Absolutely wild. Right up there in the distance is the cabin, you can probably see in the centre, the Grand Hotel. So yeah, just a view from this way. And the Metropole. And we're just under North Pier. Alright girls. Blimey, it's only Wednesday as well. Yeah, it's one of them days where the wind's swirling everywhere. So hope you could pick up some of what I was saying down on the seafront. And I just want to take an opportunity to wish Thomas, one of my many subscribers, a happy belated birthday. I know I did message you, but I'll give you a shout out online, Thomas, so hope you had a good birthday. And the other call out was for Karen in New South Wales, Australia, who just loves our beaches and wish she lived near a beach. Well, I wish I lived somewhere where it was warmer. But yeah, Karen, I hope you get this message, and thank you for watching the channel. Sorry for the delayed shout out. And I do hope it's Karen now. I said Karen, I'm sure it was. way, there you go now. Oh, there's not that many in the town, does there? Which you expect, but we're going to have a wander. There's a man with a camera over there. Let's have a wander up this way, see what's going on. Lady all wrapped up there reading a book, very content, great to see. Man in the back of that van with cash. Cost the brigade here. Yeah, it's just a bit of everyday Blackpool.
Thank you very much, guys. Now then, definitely down for water.
You really wouldn't think it was May, would you? The way everyone is wrapped up. Street cleaners do a brilliant job here in Blackpool. Don't forget, if you want to buy a coffee from somebody independent, come and help these people out. Church store coffee. Just give me a shout out. I've done it a few times for you. Yeah. Buy from the independent coffee shops. Yeah, you just got another shout out on my channel. Take care. It's sunny up here, isn't it? But as I say, it's very, very windy. Champs Sport Bar on Topping Street. And then the alleyway that takes you down to Cedar Square where Abingdon Food Hall is. And Churchill's. Yeah, a little bit of Topping Street there for you. Just in this area where the university is going to be and different parts of it. It's all changed around here so much. I remember going in the hot pub. Now it's a dentist. And of course just over there we've got the British Legion. I don't know if they found a new home or not. I don't know if anybody does know. I have asked if anybody knows that watches the channel, but yeah. Another icon building gone. Well, I shouldn't say the building, should I really? The place. That's what I meant to say. Yeah, this will all eventually come down. Because obviously this place is going to have accommodation, isn't it? So as far as I'm aware, this will sort of be the area where there will be some accommodation. And I know there's talk of a multi-storey car park that I read a long time ago. where the syndicate used to be, where there's a little mini car park now, but I've heard there's going to be a multi-storey car park there eventually. But this is just across the road from the grounds of where the university is going to be. I'm going to call it a university. You all know what I mean as we enter Cookson Street. Yeah, a lot of groundwork going on there still. I mentioned before that they got this road shut here as well. It seems a bit difficult in rush hour, but it's not too bad here in the daytime considering the road shut. We've got another lay-by going here that I mentioned the other day opposite the post office. Like the one opposite now, is this for loading and unloading? Is it for people that want to use the post office? I don't think it's for buses because it doesn't look wide enough. Anyway, we'll find out what it's for eventually. Just over there in the distance, the DWP building, which is continuing to be built very fast. Mark Kelly's, that will be rocking the weekend again. And not this weekend, is it next weekend, bank holiday? I can't remember, 23rd, 22nd, 23rd. That's going to be a very busy one in Blackpool. So I will be out and about. Try and get a double one done on Saturday in the afternoon and an evening one on that bank holiday weekend. Weather permitting and knees permitting. Back in Aberdeen Street, yeah, well, I mean, it's pleasant enough for walking in. You know, at this point in this street, it doesn't feel that windy at all. But just those little gaps completely changes. But otherwise, it's not a bad day here in Blackpool, to be honest. It's got better as the day's gone on, I believe.
Good, done so?
Right, I'll leave this video and wrap this one up here. Just a short walk round. Hope I haven't done the beach scenes, but I do like it down there. And yeah, we'll try and capture something a little bit different tomorrow if I can get out. And then we'll be back on the weekend again, won't we? So I'm not sure what's happening Saturday yet. I'm definitely going to be watching the FA Cup final. So possibly I might come out after the FA Cup final. Back tea time. You know, I don't come out really late. That isn't for me anymore. But yeah, but we'll be out before Saturday anyway. I shouldn't say what I'm going to do in case I can't do it. But you know, everything is always weather permitting and my health permitting, the knees, what have you. But thank you for watching this one if you're still listening to me waffling on at the end. And I will catch you again very soon. Take care for now.